Nice! Is this the last one? Not yet. I don't want this to end. I don't want this to ever end. Callie giving Kiara headpats. Aww. Yeah, that's actually exactly what I wrote, basically. Callie patting Kiara. Come on, turn me into a cat. Do it. Okay. I think very clear. Callie takes care of Kiara. Okay. Yo! And baby! Oh, this is so cute! Bubble! Oh! This is precious! This is so cute! Help me! Help! Callie feeding baby Kiara! Aww! Eh? Wait, she turned it around! Kiara feeding baby Callie! Yuna, are you drunk? Wait, that's cute too. I like to imagine that. That is pretty cute. Yeah, Avengers style. I like it too. We'll play this again with audience again. Don't worry. Next time. Kiara, feed the baby Callie. Aww.